Hi, my name is Gus Gaysbrook, and today I've got a video for you about Facebook dynamic product ads. What are they? So I've put together this video just to give you a few examples of what the videos are like, and also some steps on how to set it up in your account. So let's have a look at it first. Alright, so Facebook ads, they allow you to create ads on the fly, advertising a product on your store that the visitors viewed. So when a visitor goes to your store and sees a product, then they go away from that and they're just browsing on Facebook. They then see that dynamic ad served up to them again with the product that they just saw. So you would have experienced that before when you visit Shopify stores and other stores. So if we just have a quick look at what Facebook says about it. Essentially, it's what they call dynamically promoting products, and the best thing about it, it's always on, works with different devices, and shows them the products that they're interested in. So essentially, you upload your product catalog, you set up your pixel, you create the dynamic template, and then you run your ads. So that's what Facebook's got to say about it. Pretty straightforward. I want to go through some examples of some ads. We'll go through these first. I've got a few here. So these are carousel ads and they're retargeting ads, and as you can see, they're made up of these, in this particular case, these pictures. So you'll have this first picture, this image, and then you'll have the next image, and it will actually scroll across. So this is a great example of the carousel retargeting ad. So let's have a look at another one. Recycled firefighter. So you can use what they've done here, see what they've done here. They've got basically a few of the features and why you would buy from them, and each one of these products is in their carousel or in their catalog, and it's got the price in the shop now. So, and this will scroll through and you'll see different products, and then you just click on the one that you want. Let's have a look at Dharma Shop. So as you can see, they've got different sizes. So this one's a larger image and a smaller image. Plus, also these ones are actually running. In this particular one, they're putting the text in here. You can actually set that up in the template, and they've also put some text here that they can control. So you can control that, and also they've used a coupon code to get 20% off. That's a technique that's used a lot. Sure Design t-shirts. Here's another one, free international shipping for the next 24 hours. And then it's got a user code at the checkout. So you would just enter in that into the checkout. Then you've got the different images here of the product in use on a model. And you'll notice here they're set up with the name of the product essentially and the free international shipping. Another example, unique tea shop. So this one here, we've got different products and they're offering 50% off for shopping now. Haven't seen you for a while, ready to make a purchase yet. So they're making that call to action to get you back to the store. This one's on a necklace, My Name necklace, and it shows the different types of necklaces and also offering up to a 25% discount. So that's used a lot, that technique. Okay, so you got these pants here. They got a free ship coupon at checkout, and encourage you to come back. They don't actually have the buy now button, but when you click this, it'll take you through to the page. And also they put the link in there again as well. Alright, this next one's just running t-shirts. So you can see in this carousel ad, you'll be able to go through the different ones. It's got the name of the product and then shop now. And also it's calling you out saying, did you forget to order these? Are almost gone, don't miss out, may never be sold again. So it's showing a bit of scarcity there, and it's also acknowledging that you've seen the ad, you've seen the product before, but you perhaps didn't order it. So that's a good call to action on the retargeting. Two more ads to have a look at. This one here, another t-shirt. So you've got the two shirts there, just a pretty much straight, simple ad, and then click on the image, and that will take you straight to the site. Last one, we're running Carousel. We're looking at about 3 shirts there with the shop now button's pretty straightforward. So that's a good example of the different types of ads, and I'll run through quickly how or what you need to how to set this up. I won't go into too much detail, but I'll show you all the links to get started and what you need to do. So the first thing you need is a product catalog, which I'll get into in a second. The second thing is a Facebook pixel set up on your store, and you need minimum of 3 events. You need view content, add to cart, and purchase. You also need a dynamic ad template and a product catalog Facebook campaign. That's the last thing you need to do. Now you can set this up manually or within an app. I've set it up manually, and that was before most of the apps are around. They came around after. I can tell you it's extremely difficult to set it up manually. It requires a good understanding of code, but I have actually did a post on that, so I have a lot of information, which I'll put a link in there for you as well. But I recommend getting an app. The one I recommend the most is from Pixel Perfect from Celtic Commerce, and it's called the Pixel Perfect. We'll just have a quick look at it here, and it's $14.99 I think a month. So this has information on what it does, and on the Shopify, if we have a look here, when you visit the App Store, you'll actually see this one here. You get a 7-day trial on that with a video. And the main thing is, it's literally you one-click install. You don't do any coding. Does all the add to carts, view contents, purchase events. Does all your Facebook feeds, and it sets you up. Does everything that you need. And also you can do for different niches, which you can't normally. It's a little bit difficult to do niches. So you might have different niches in your store, and this allows you to do that. All right, let's have a look at the next one. The next one is Trackify. I haven't used that all that much, but it does work, and a lot of people use it. So we'll have a quick look at that one. That's a little bit more expensive and it has more options. It's around the $19.95 mark per month, so it's more expensive. And essentially, it does the same sort of thing. Puts the Facebook pixel in there, sets up your niches so you can target different niches, and also sets up your catalogs and things like that. So lots of information there, and also has a trial as well. Okay, so essentially all these apps install the pixels and create the product catalogs, and once you've installed and you follow the instructions, you can go ahead and create your first dynamic ad. So I'll run through a quick breakdown of how you do this. So the first thing you do is you'd open up the Facebook Ad Manager, you create a new campaign, and you would select promote a product catalog. That's what you're looking for. After that, you would give that campaign a name, and you associate a pixel with the catalog if it's asking you to do that. The next section will be from the product set. So it will ask you what products you want to select, and you would select all initially. Then you would want to do this view. You want to select viewed or add to cart but not purchased 14 days. That's a pretty common one. You want to select automatic placement, maybe a $5 ad budget per day. Give the ad set a name, click continue. Then you go on to the different formats of the ads, and this one you want to select is the carousel ad format, and then select a Facebook page associated with it. Now this is where you can change the see more URL and the text in the ad. You can update that. Also select a call to action button, for example shop now or learn more. When it goes to Instagram, it will actually say learn more by default. Next one, optional display link. You can actually put in there perhaps your website address, maybe domain name for example, and also make sure that select tracked or conversions from my Facebook pixel is ticked, and then click place order, and then you successfully set up your first dynamic product ad. So basically that's how you do it, and once you've got it running, it's totally automatic, and of course you can do different variations of this and to set it up, but you get a lot better ROI because the people have seen the product, they then see your ads and then come back to your website and make a purchase, and that's how it all works. So I've given you the best way to get started quickly, and I recommend those apps, especially this one down here, the Pixel Perfect, but I would try both if you like. Just remember that you can't have any pixels already installed or any extra code to do with the pixels, so make sure that's out. And also your checkout, if you've put any scripts for your checkout, make sure that that doesn't interfere with it, because you don't want to have extra pixels in there and then install these apps with the pixels. Alright, if you have any questions, put them down below and I will get back to you. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.